We are getting some mulch for our backyard. Okay, probably he wants to dry a little bit further, I guess. Oh, that's quick. Then we are going to move this mulch back to our backyard. This is hard work. We are continuing moving mulch back to our backyard. It's like a little mountain. We already used that little trolley, moved over 100 loads, and we still have a lot. Keep working on that. This is our fruit forest. This is before we put a mulch on. You can see it looks like this. After a day and a half hard work, we finished moving all the mulch. You can see now it looks quite different. It's quite pretty. This is our compost can. So we put leftover vegetables, fruits, the skins, and we compost here. And you can see we have fruits. This is a kind of orange, and here has another kind of orange. This is huge. Each one, it's over a pound. This is jujube, and right now it's not the season. We also have tons of lemons, and this is fig. Actually, there should have some figs somewhere over there. Okay, you can see there are figs. We also put a lot of mulch here, and this is a grapefruit tree. You can see we have a lot of grapefruits. We also put a lot of mulch under this tree. This is an orange tree. It has tons of oranges. Wow, got a huge sweet potato. It's wow, this is my hand. Okay, it's bigger than my hand. Wow, this sweet potato is 2.44 pounds. Here we have a lot of okra. You can see it's much taller than me. Here has another one. Okay. Over there, there's another one. Yeah. Wow, here has two actually. Huge. Okay. Okay, I need to put this down. This okra we harvested today. A lot. I don't know, maybe over 20.